FGM will stop when the parents are educated, when the families are empowered. It's not because they want to do FGM. It's a tradition, it's perfect, it's a mindset. Even today, you tell these girls, we don't want FGM. They have no powers to stop it. They have no powers to stop it. Instead of training these children, let us educate the parents. Let us help the parents to understand what is going through with these children. That's the only way to save this girl child. Even gender-based violence. Let us empower our women. When our women are empowered, they know their rights. Everything is a cause of the violence, and the ladies are continue staying with the violence. I plead with you, as you are doing the programs, do some more training, more programs to empower the people. Both men and women understand what and why they should stop. We need to give them more knowledge about their future, what they want to be and what they want to do. Small girls, if the father and the mother says, no, I'm taking you somewhere, even they cry, even they do what, they can't stop it. Let's go back to the images, talk to the parents. That's the only way to help the society. Join hands together, we think of the better way of stopping this thing.
So alternative rites of passage is basically gimmicking the traditional rites of passage, but not necessarily following the structures or the goals of the traditional FGM way of passage. Statistics are really worrying. For instance, in Nyamira County, FGM prevalence stands at 75%, while in Kisii County, FGM prevalence stands at 77%. So these are really worrying statistics, and therefore we see that there's need for us to really champion against FGM, continue raising awareness, continue sensitizing parents, and also collaborating with different stakeholders, collaborating with chiefs, collaborating with our local duty bearers, as well as the government, who have been quite helpful in helping us sensitize the community. My humble appeal would be to call upon the government. We are now in Kisii and Nyamira County, also at the level of the county government, to take an active role in ensuring that they're at the front lines of saying no to ending FGM, as well as also, giving more funding, ensuring that there's funds allocated for carrying out activities, get more support 2024 in the coming years, so that the commitment that the Kenyan CSOs on ending FGMC have made to end FGM by 2030 is real.